Quick video here for any beginning woodworkers on how to effectively use a speed square whenever you're making a cut with a circular saw or a skill saw. First off, whenever you mark where you want your cut to be, start using your speed square to make that cut a straight 90-degree angle. You can mark a straight line using your speed square. That's the first step. Now, when you get your circular saw, don't just line up by eye. Use your speed square as a fence or a guide up against your circular saw. Using this as a guide will allow you to make your cut straight and as a perfect 90-degree angle. Now you have a nice straight 90-degree cut that you can line up and double check with your speed square. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button for me.